Hello, everyone. Very good evening. Welcome all for our finale session of Success with Communication. I'm Gayatri. I can proudly say that I was part of this program to improve my communication and succeeded. Being a corporate worker is very much important to survive in this field to have a good communication. Undoubtedly, I made a wise decision to join with Asset Academy. I promise even you could see visible changes with your loved ones in the way they are communicating. All good things needs to be started with a positive energy. So we'll start our session with a beautiful prayer song.
Coach, are you ready?
Every tiny star that twinkles in the night sky, every drop of morning dew, every spark of fire blazing in the furnace, every captivating view, every rainbow in the sky, every pretty butterfly tells a fascinating news to those who dare to hope. And the message is God still loves the world. God still loves the world. So throw your life into His hands. Day by day discern His plans. God is passionately busy loving you and me. Every ocean wave that breaks upon the seashore, every stalk of golden weed, every silver stream that gushes down the mountain, every drop of honey sweet, every eagle flying high, every worm that wriggles by, tells a fascinating news to those who dare to hope. And the message is God still loves the world. God still loves the world. So throw your life into His hands. Day by day discern His plans. God is passionately busy loving you and me. Every man and woman pledged in love forever. Every little newborn child. Every voice in favor of a needy neighbor. Every radiating smile. Every hand that offers love, every surging flow of blood, tells the fascinating news to those who dare to hope. And the message is God still loves the world. God still loves the world. So throw your life into His hands. Day by day discern His plans. God is passionately busy loving you and me. God is passionately busy loving you and me. God is passionately busy loving you and me. God is passionately busy loving you and me.
Thank you, Swati. Before starting, a small note to audiences. You guys can unmute yourself at any point of time to cheer our champs for their performance. Okay, let's start with the big bang. I am very much happy to invite Mr. Sendil Kumaran to give a welcome speech.
It gives me great pleasure to welcome all of you to our grand final function of HAS Academy's Success with Communication 100 Days course. This wonderful evening, I am so happy that all of you have made time to take part in this program. Yes, really, this is my first welcome speech. A big welcome to our batchmates to present here. Our special and heartful welcome to our coach, founder and mentor of HAS Academy, Honorable Dr. Purni Coach. You are here to witness about the success journey of all our 100 days effort put up for this program. I hope you will enjoy the program and please stay till end of this program. Once again, welcome to all our participants and their family members. Our sincere welcome to our coach, Dr. Purni and their team members. Special welcome to Siva coach, who has been consistently sending our everyday lessons and following up with us throughout our journey. I once again welcome each one of you. Sit back and enjoy the program. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Sendil Kumaran. The most beautiful thing you can bear is your self-confidence. Now I'm handing over to Ms. Swati to make others confident. Now Swati is going to demonstrate our super confidence pose.
Coach,
I will put it. Just wait. Yes.
you please raise for the super confidence pose and repeat, I am an excellent communicator.
I am an excellent communicator.
I am an excellent communicator.
Yeah.
Yes, Swati. Thank you, Swati. There is a quote by Swami Vivekananda. Talk to yourself once in a day, otherwise you may miss meeting an excellent person in the world. So make your own declaration and work towards that. Now I am inviting Mr. Balaji to make our communicators declaration.
Hands with your heart with level 10 energy. Repeat after me. I am an excellent communicator.
I am an
I am an
excellent
excellent
communicator.
I am confident when I speak in front of audience.
I am confident
when I speak in front of the audience.
I am an effective and successful presenter.
I am
I am
an
an
effective and
effective
successful
and
presenter.
presenter.
I am a good listener.
I am
I am
a
a
good
good
listener.
listener.
I find it easy to write and communicate effectively.
I
I
find
find
it easy to write and communicate
Communicate
effectively.
effectively.
People love and understand what I communicate.
People
People
love
love and
and
understand
understand
what I
communicate.
communicate.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Balaji. Dreams are not what you see in your sleep. Is that the thing which doesn't let you sleep? The quote by Mr. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Next, we are going to hear a wonderful speech on the topic My Dreams by Ms. Swati.
Shall I start? Good evening to all. I am going to present my dreams on topic my dreams. Every individual aspires to achieve something. As a kid, we hold on to aspiration contributions. Over a time, it's highly important to have a goal or a dream in your life as it motivates you to achieve them. Dream is, Dreams are essential as without them you will not have motivation or determination to move forward in life. Some kids aspires to become a pilot, some dancer or some musician. However, to achieve these dreams, one has to stay attentive and work out your goals, provide you the strength to face obstacles and motivate you towards achievement.
Thank you, Swati. My hearty wishes to achieve your dreams. This
She
is the
is not
time to
finished, I think. Oh, it got disconnected. Swati, can you continue? Now we are hearing you.
Okay,
Coach,
sorry, in between your voice got. Yeah, please continue.
start beginning up.
Oh, no, from where you left, just continue.
My dream is to meet a great people. My dream in life is to travel. My dream life is to move across the world and live in different countries. My dream is to my dream life is to write and think. My dream life is dream life is to discover new passion. My dream life is to become aware. My dream life is to unconditional love to close ones. My dream life is to spend so much quality time as much as with my family. That's all, coach.
Thank you. Thank you, Swati.
Thank you,
Over to
Swati. That
Gayatri.
was a very inspiring dreams that you have. I guess most of us will have the same. Okay. This is the time to announce the winner of the writing competition. To announce this, I'm inviting our coach, Ms. Dr. Purani, online, please.
Okay, it gives me great pleasure and privilege to, announce the winner of the writing competition, and it's none other than Mr. Sendil Kumaran. Give a big round of applause for him. Yes, I would, and definitely I also congratulate all the participants of this writing competition, Gayatri and also Swati. A lot of them who have participated. The topic of the competition was, if I had a magic wand, what will I do with it? So that is what is the topic of writing competition. I would invite Sendil Kumaranji to actually read out the winning essay. Sendil
Sure.
Kumaranji, over to you.
If I had a magic wand, I would want to change so many things in our country. I am planning to do the following things and changes in our country. My first choice is increasing our educational level and changing our education system. And all the students must continue their studies. Why do children stop their studies? Why are they not coming to school? What are the problems they are facing to continue their studies? First, I would understand their problems and then I can provide the solution and solve the issues. Second one, and most important things, is agriculture. I am planning to increase the agriculture productivity. We will produce our own needs as well as increase our export of our products to other countries. Third one is increasing manufacturing industries and creating good infrastructure. If we had a good facility, we will be able to set up a new companies, new vendors, increasing shareholders. Increasing productivity for the products based on the new company arrival can increase our employment opportunities. Fourth one is increasing government job opportunities and business opportunities by introducing a lot of schemes on ways to get business loans and ways to do the business, to organize separate teams and provide support to all the levels. Fifth one is health. Health is important to all of us. It is important to all of our life. I will plan to start a lot of yoga centers and physical exercise centers. I also like to use magic wand to do many other things like eliminating child labor, being able to get good drinking water for everyone, population control, special training and job for people who are on physical challenges and having mental disabilities. I will plan a common library for all the cities. Thank you for the opportunity to share my views.
That was a really very good writing skills that you have. Congratulations on that, Sundarji, as well as to all the participants for your immense effort towards your communication. Next, we are going to see a live test for us on the vocabularies that we learned in these entire 100 days. I invite Dr. Purani Koch to conduct the quiz.
Are you ready for the Super Vocabs quiz? Are you ready? You can unmute and just tell you're ready. Okay,
Yes.
so the participants will be all of you who actually did the communication course. So it will be Gayatri, Muthuselvamji, Sendil Kumaranji, Swati, Balaji, and I think only 5 of you. So all 5 of you are going to be participating into this quiz, and these are the rules. Okay, these are the rules. What you need to do is when I spell out the word, I want you to only raise your hand. Okay, use the raise hand option. Raise your hand, and whoever raises it first will be given the option. If they are going to be telling out the right answers, then they will be given 10 points. If they are going to be telling out the wrong answer, then they will be taken 5 points away. Is that okay? Yes, are you all ready? Amazing, amazing. So let's start. And the time given for telling out or raising their hands will be exactly 5 seconds. And if there's nobody within the 5 seconds, then I will tell out the answers and go to the next one. Okay. So let's start. The first word is instantaneous. Instantaneous. Who wants to raise hand? 1, 2, 3. Yes, Gayatri.
Or making an instant decision.
Making an instant decision. Okay, very close by, but not exactly. Anybody else wants to take a chance? Okay, Swati.
Immediate.
Immediate. Yes, very nice. Okay, Swati gets 10 points. Going to the next word, alliteration. 1 minute. Others can lower their hands so that I will know. Lower all hands. Yes. Alliteration. Who wants to raise their hand? 1, 2, 3. Yes, Swati.
Vocalic alliteration, ma'am.
Pardon?
Vocalic alliteration.
That's an example. Can I know what is the answer? Yes, Muthuselvamji. He's into legal field, so he definitely needs to know. Okay.
The alliteration means you want the meaning of this alliteration, ma'am?
Yes, yes, yes.
So alliteration, little change in that action.
Okay. Can anybody else give a shot? It's all close by answers.
Making
Yes.
changes.
Gayatri?
Making changes.
Making changes. Okay. So I give 5 points and 5 points to Muthuselvam and Gayatri.
Okay.
All right, 5 points, 5 points. Then going to the next word, anesthetic. Anesthetic. 1 minute, let me lower the hands and then, okay, lower. Now, anesthetic. Who wants to raise first?
Coach, painkiller.
Yes, yes, painkiller. That's not a painkiller that makes the place numb without any pain. That's okay. I'm giving 10 points to Swati. Okay.
Swati,
let me-
lower your hand.
Yeah, I will lower it. Partake. Meaning of partake. Anybody?
Yes, coach.
Put your hands. Sendilji, is it?
To eat or drink something.
Okay. Sendilji gets 10 points. Pliable. Pliable.
Capable of being changed.
Balaji, yes?
Capable of being changed or adjusted to meet a particular
Yeah, adjustable or being able to easily bend. That's correct. Balaji gets 10 points. Nice. And then the next word is intrigue. Intrigue. Yes, Muthu Selvam ji.
Intrigue. So it's a one type of involvement of actions.
Yes, making somebody involved or interested. I give 10 points to Muthu Selvam ji.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Intrepid. Intrepid. The next word. 1 minute.
Fearlessness.
Before that, let me lower the hands just a minute. Yes, intrepid.
Fearlessness.
Yes, Balaji.
Fearlessness
Fearless.
Yeah, fearlessness. It's right.
for
Okay.
endurance.
Balaji gets 10 points. And then midget. Sendilji, yes. Midget.
A very small person.
Yes, you're right. 10 points to Sendilji. Stir up. Stir up.
Sir, gear up, ma'am.
Okay, to gear up is not the right answer. Can anybody say?
What?
Stir up means manna.
It is stir up without with a gap is what you're saying. Here there's no gap. Who else wants to say?
Support.
Start
1
up,
minute.
start up, ma'am.
No G, no G. Okay, Swati.
Support.
Pardon?
Support.
Support. No, no. So Swati and Muthusalam Ji has 5 points going away. What about others? Anybody else? Stir up. Sendil Ji, you wanted to say? No, okay. Okay, stir up means it is actually basically one or two metal objects that you can put on your feet when you do horse riding. Okay, that is called stir up. Now going into the last word, that is ditto.
Copying someone.
Wait. Gayatri put her hands first. Yes, ditto.
It's same as what we said previously.
Yeah, repeating this or
Repeating the same.
using the same. Okay.
Good.
Gayatri gets 10 points. Okay, give a big round of applause to all of you. You did amazing participation. Let me give your scores right away. I'm going to give you scores right away. So we have what I'm really going to do is I'm not sure, just going to minus. Oh, this lot. I mean, it's close to tie for all of you. Okay, we have Balaji at 20 points, Sendilji at 20 points, Swati at 15 points, Muthuselvam ji at 15 points, and
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. I am having 20, ma'am.
20 points. Yes, 20 points. Sorry. And then Gayatri at 15 points. Give a big round of applause, guys. Amazing. Yes, I did not minus the, I did not do the negative part. And wonderful. It's really amazing that all of you have done your practice of vocabs, and over to Gayatri to take over.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That was a real ice-breaking session to test ourselves. Next, we are going to hear it from Mr. Sendil Kumaran on his experience of this 100 days with success with communication.
Good evening, everyone. To all are present here, I am Sendil Kumaran, and today I am in my presentation. I would like to share about my 100 days learning experience in Success with Communication course. Before going into the course, I would share my experience with HAS Academy, why and how I selected HAS Academy. One of my friends referred me to this course. I was the last person to join this course. I remember that our coach did not accept my entry. She said that sufficient members already there, you can join with the second batch. Finally, she decided to allow after I have the assurance that I will cover up first class that I did not attend. I started attending the second class, but at the same time, I have practiced and written the first day vocabulary. I made some mistake in the first day lessons. She said that your sentences are correct, but you can use the same vocabulary. Then I followed the procedure and I did daily exercise. Next few days, I used the correct vocabulary and made the sentences. But she said that some of the words were not correct. You can refer to the dictionary and make the sentence. I had accepted our coach feedback and I did the exercise every day. During my journey of 100 days, I learned the following: vocabulary, grammar exercise, reading exercise, writing exercise, listening exercise, speaking exercise, and practice session during weekend classes. Let me explain my experience before I joined this course and after I joined this course. What I would learn and understand this course. Firstly, with respect to vocabulary, I have learned new vocabulary and their meanings. Before joining this course, I didn't know most of the words and their meanings. Now I have learned more than 150 new words and their meanings. Now I am thinking how to use and apply them in our day-to-day life. Second, regarding some grammar exercise, I only know very basic grammar before joining here. After I joined this course, I have learned how to use words and make the sentence. Part of speech like noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, article, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Grammar exercise on present tense, past tense, future tense, and their exercise. After having completed these exercises, now when I am writing in the sentence or reading any news in this newspaper, I know what kind of grammar they are using in the sentence and how to make the sentence on my own. Reading exercise was the most important exercise for all of us. When I read the sentence, first I understand the meaning, then only I can possibly understand the reading exercise. After completing this course, I have starting reading all the sentence carefully with confidence and started understand their meaning also. With respect to writing, earlier I used to make sentence, but I did not know how to write easy essays or atmosphere topics. Now I learned how to prepare topic based on the content. This course also helped me to correct my mistake. Now I understand and corrected my mistakes and I do the writing exercise in a good way. Listening was the best exercise in this course. We hear something in audio format or video format first, then you will understand the words and meaning of the sentence and do the exercise pertaining to it. Speaking exercise is linked with the listening exercise. Don't speak fast. First, I understand the opposites of the conversation, then give my response. Overall, this is a wonderful course for me. I learned new things in this course and I am planning how to apply and use it our day-to-day life. I will practice continuously and I will achieve my goal for this year of 2021. This is the most important point. Low cost course material was good. I have additionally learned the following things in this course: dedication, participation, practice, hard work. I have completed all these exercises on the same day itself and coach makes that correction and reviewed with the comments on the same day. I'm sure, I'm confident this course is very useful in my life and I move forward and practice all the lessons. I will achieve my goal in 2021. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Sindilji, for that confident speech. Next is all about another speech. There are many problems we are facing in this society. Do we really have time to pause ourselves and think about that? Now, please take that time and think on that. Let me deliver my speech first, followed by Mr. Muthuselvam and also we can hear it from Mr. Balaji. Let me start my speech first. Hello, everyone. Let me start with an inspiring quote which led me to take this topic. Here it goes. If you have a question, nature will have answer for it. Yes, nature can answer anything you ask. You people surely knew if we want to survive, we need oxygen, water, and food. You guys cannot neglect that. These three things are given to us by nature. Just think a second, guys. What we are giving it in return to that. My grandparents ate the richest quality of nutrition food. My parents ate off of that. Our generation are having just 20% of nutritious food. Think about our next generation. A big question mark, right? Please do not forget, guys. Without nature, we are nothing. The biggest asset we can carry to our next generation is unpolluted nature. So please save that. Plant at least 5 trees in your lifetime. Do not waste water. If you can't do that by yourself, there are many much more ways are available in internet. Spend some time with it and please give your soulful thanks to the thing which is saving us. Nature is the only evident God. Please save it. Thank you. Now I'm handing over to Mr. Muthuselvam to present his speech.
Muthuselvam ji, you are in mute.
You are in mute. Oh, sorry.
Oh, sorry. So, societal issue is concerned. Thanks, Kadri. So, I will take the another topic called as societal issues. So, I prefer to take a topic called as unemployment. So, in a global perspective, unemployment plays a major crisis for all the nations. Due to this, a lot of people are migrating from one nation to another nation, one state to another state. So, a lot of migration is going on. If you take India is concerned, so India is the second biggest thickly populated country in the world. The economic growth of the country is a main role which boosts the creation of more employment opportunities in the country. To create a better opportunity on employment, so the government has to come forward to have a clarity in making the policy and providing very good infrastructure facilities, and there is an opportunity for multi-skill development in the industries. And last one is come forward to invest more business, so that there is a growth in economics as well as the creation of employment opportunities in the country. So the policy of the country which is any lacking behind in this, so it indirectly touch the economic growth as well as the which create a lot of other problems like poverty and other things. So in this concern, I request everybody, every individual, to create a better awareness to the people in the nation about the job opportunities and job openings in the various industries. So in that, every forum, a professional forum, take part to lead the give an opportunity for all the peoples, for their organizations, employment opportunity for a better prospect of the organization as well as the nation. So in that scenario, we will definitely address the unemployment issue by making proper government policies for the better investment and growth of the company, growth of the nations. Thank you so much, ma'am, as well as Gayatri, for an opportunity. Thanks, team. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Sivamji. And this is the turn for Mr. Balaji to present his speech. Balaji, you are on mute.
You can start from beginning, Balaji.
Hello everyone, I am Balaji. Good evening to all. I'm going to speak about society issue. One thing I like to change that I can be change in the society is education system. I aware that the education system is unfair one on a lot of levels. The ability of the students are always based on the mark that he or she has scored. Even our parents tell us to study hard and get good grades. And I will make to believe that if I am do not acquire good grades, then it really means that I am will not be worth anywhere, not worth anything. From my point of view, the education system must be updated to teach students more about humanity and not be as stressful as it is already it is. Even though grades are a form of checking the knowledge of the student, but it should not be a end of the world. The majority of students do not have good grades but are fantasy in doing other activities. They may have ample knowledge, but it may not show in their mark sheets. But that means does not mean the student does not lack in knowledge or talent. And conclude finally, I come to the conclusions. I made aware that parents should encourage their children to follow the things what they love instead of pressuring them in studies. If child is choosing to follow his passions, then society should let him or her to do so as long. I do things that I love and I will change this education. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Balaji. All those society issues are needs to be rethink, right? Yes. So this is the time for you guys to think about that. We have put in all our effort for 100 days for this moment. Today is the light we honor to get the award. I'm handing over to Dr. Purni Koch to present the awards.
Thank you, Gayatri. And you know what, like, this is like, I would say that nearly 20 people joined this course, and it has come to the extent that only 5 people are completing, and the other people have been moved to the next batch because there was a lack of consistency in the way they were coping up with the course. But I need to congratulate all these 5 people who have put consistent efforts in taking up this course. And there's going to be awards in various categories, which I will be, giving out to you. And of course, the certificates of these also will be reaching out to you once the session is over. But as of now, I would really want to share to all of you a big and huge congratulations. Okay, a big and huge congratulations. Can I hear you all give a big round of applause for yourselves to, for the persistence that you had to actually take up this 100 days journey and completely complete this course. I can see that a lot of you have given so much of dedication and so much of, in spite of a lot of hurdles, you have put your 100% dedication and consistency into achieving all these things. So let me go to the award of the most regular participants. Okay, everyday participation. We have 3 people. The first goes to, that is going to be the gold medal category, which goes to Sendil Kumaranji. Give a big round of applause. There's not one day he has missed out. Okay, that shows the dedication. And you know what, like, whatever we show in this small thing is going to be carried forward in all the things. So give a very big round of applause to Senthil Kumaran ji. And next goes to Satya Swati. The silver medal award goes to Satya Swati. And the bronze medal award goes to Gayatri. Yes, they've also been giving consistent performance on a daily basis. Can we have the participants share a few words on their experience? Can I ask Senthil Kumaran ji to share how he feels about this? And we have a lot of other categories also. Please stay tuned. Senthil Kumaran ji, you can unmute and say how you feel having received this Everyday Participation Award.
Yes, coach. I already mentioned in our daily 100 days journey also. Before I joined this course, I think about it whether I can possible to suppose I can join the course and I can 100% put 100% effort on this course. I think before itself. I don't after itself. Everything, every step I forward. No, every step I will take any decision. I'm thinking before only. I'm not thinking after that. Okay. I know that you know that I'm the last person. I already mentioned in my exercise also. But at that time I take one decision. Definitely, I will put my effort and I achieve level my best. Okay, I'm sure it will continue and I am practice. I refer so many friends and things. Okay, I already refer so many friends and my colleagues also, but it is very useful for me. I carry forward this memory to hold throughout the year, and I definitely thankful to AS Academy and yes, special thanks to you, coach.
Thank you, Ji. And let me have Satya Swati also share her experience. How do you feel, Swati?
Before attending the 100 days of the communication, I feel shy to speak in English. I don't know to form the sentence, proper sentence. After attending the 100 days of, I speak fluently in English. I'm forming a sentence with the new words. I'm learning new words every day. It will continue forever, coach.
Wonderful, Swati. That was such an amazing thing. You know, you wanted to continue this forever. That is what is the real success of the program. Wonderful. And yes, can I have just a minute? Can I have Gayatri and let me add the pin for her? Yes, Gayatri, can I have you hear from you?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, when I thought of joining this session, because first Sachin coach recommended to join me in this session because he knows how I was communicated. But if he would be here, he will definitely you will be very happy to suggest this course because my English fluency is better now. So when I realized that I'm going in the right way, so when my manager appreciated me in the way that I am mailing to others in my organization, so she noted my each and every email, and she said, Gayatri, your English skill have been improved. So that is the actual trigger point for me. So that time I thought, yes, I made a wise decision of joining in this session. So yes, I have improved a lot, and even now you can see that I am I am speaking without or with limited pause over there. So that was my success, and definitely I'll put all my effort to practice again and again so that I can be constant in this level or I can improve better.
Wonderful. Give a big round of applause. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for yours. The next category we are going to have is, one category which I need to congratulate. That's called 100% attendance. Okay, and the 100% attendance award goes to Mr. Balaji. For all the sessions, he's never missed even one session out of the 15 weeks. He's never missed even one session. 100% attendance award goes to Balaji. Give a big round of applause for him. Balaji, can you share something about this program and what motivated you to come and attend all the sessions?
Uh, I improve my vocabularies and speaking good English. Which one is motivate me to attend all the classes? Ma'am, you always motivate. You are speaking well and you are a powerful presenter. And motivates in all things. That gives me that motivate me to attend all the classes. That's all, ma'am. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Balaji. Give a big round of applause for him. He's always short and sweet. That's amazing. Thank you so much. Then going into, yes, we all saw the list of presentations that had run before you. And the best presentation award goes to Mr. Muthuselvam. Give a big round of applause. Best presentation award. Muthuselvam ji, can I hear you talk, please? You
Yes,
know,
ma'am.
definitely, like I always admired the way he puts beautiful, complicated words, right words in the right places, you know, to explain that scenario really great. But it was amazing to hear you. And can you share your experience about this course and how you
So
feel?
definitely, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. In fact, I have missed some of the your classes. That's why I'm just worrying. The reason being is I was forced to skip that classes because I am held up with some other work. Forced to complete my official work. So that is the scenario. I am not in a position to attend the class. Hope our Sendil will also know. So why I am not in a position to participate. So due to this corona, I'm keep on travel to complete that my work. So that is another issue. So anyway, that is another issue. Since I whenever I can join, I make it more 100%. So that is the thing. But this time, this is not in my control. That is the thing, ma'am. So anyway, and whatever I want to present, that I want to make it in my own style. So that is the scenario of practicing. So continue to practice like that only. And particularly about this course, I admire two things. One is the way you are explaining to the participants, easy to understand and easy to catch easily. So that is the main thing. And second thing is the presentation. So that part also very nice. That's why I invited our friends like Sendil and other people to join in this course, ma'am. So anyway, thank you so much. So in fact, I have missed something. So still I'm having some worry. Anyway,
You
I
can
keep on
attend.
getting.
Gee, this is not the end of your journey. I would
Yes,
invite you to come and attend the sessions in the second batch also.
yes,
No
ma'am.
doubt about it. I think one or two sessions you missed, but you can attend it in the second batch,
Yes, ma'am.
along with the second batch. No doubt about it. Thank you so much for your amazing
Thank you
contribution.
so much. Thank you,
Okay, give him a big round of applause.
ma'am. Thank you.
So guys, now is the time where we are going to be getting the completion certificate. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So as I'm going to be calling out your name, I want you to come, declare yourself that you are an excellent communicator and get this certificate. Yes, currently it is all virtual, but I want you to get this certificate. Okay, so let me invite Gayatri. Gayatri, give a big round of applause for Gayatri.
Thank you so much, guys. Yes, I'm declaring that I'm an excellent communicator, ma'am.
Wonderful, wonderful. Nice. And then Next certificate of completion goes to Sendil Kumaranji.
Yes, coach. I am sure and I'm confident I am an excellent communicator.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you so much. Then the certification of completion goes to Miss Satya Swati.
I am an excellent communicator. I am declaring that I am an excellent communicator, coach.
Wonderful. Next, the certificate of completion goes to Mr. Muthuselvam.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. I'm an excellent communicator. No doubt at all.
Amazing, amazing. The certificate of completion for this success with communication next goes to Mr. A. Balaji.
Thank you, ma'am. I am declaring that I am an excellent communicator.
Wonderful, wonderful. All right, thank you. Thank you so much. So with this I just wanted to hand over to Gayatri.
Yeah. Thank you so much for those awards, ma'am. It's really a pleasure to have those things. So now we are nearing to end of this session. I'm inviting Mr. Muthuselvam G to present the vote of thanks.
So thank you, Gayatri. So once again, good evening to one and all. I'm very happy to announce vote of thanks. Thanks is nothing but acknowledgement to everyone who has given substantial contribution towards the success of this program as an individual, as an organization. So in that part, it is my privilege to propose vote of thanks on behalf of AS Academy. As a part of one among the participants, I want to express my sincere thanks to for an excellent opportunity for attending this course for myself during such crisis COVID situation. Really, we all used it in a right manner. So we have to thank AS Academy for the nice opportunity. And any program, it goes success, it is because purely on the coordination part. So in that part, my sincere thanks to Mr. Siva Coach for coordinating with all the participants to execute the daily program very successfully. Then it's a special and my warm thanks to ma'am, Dr. Purni ma'am, for his back support for the success of the course, which clearly clear identification for his success growth in such type of success type of program, for his vision and commitment to delivering the courses. So thank you so much for the success of this program, ma'am. And at last, I would like a moment to acknowledge the immense contributions of all the students, those who have taken part for the involvement and success of this course. Definitely, it went well. Great thanks to all the team members, organization, and on behalf of the AS Academy. So once again, thanks team. Definitely, we continue the same in future for such type of programs for better communication, because today communication plays a vital role for every success of an individual and an organization. Thanks team for an excellent support. Thank you so much. Over to Gayatri. Thank you.
Thank you, Muthuji.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you so much. Over to Gayatri.
Thank you, Shankar Narayanan ji, for that feedback. And yes, that's the end of the session.
Gayatri, I think your video is not on.
Oh, I'm sorry. So, yeah, and that's the end of the session. Before closing, I want to thank Dr. Purni Coach as well as to Shivaji to continuously pulling us if we couldn't put our legs on it. Thank you so much for that. All your effort as really showing immense changes with us. Thank you so much for that, and definitely I hope that I could join hands with you in future sessions as well if I could. Thank you so much.
Definitely. Yes, the scope is there. And we are coming up with the Train the Trainer online session where we are going to be coaching all of you. If you have the interest into training and other career or training to take up training as your career, then definitely we are there to support you and give you a platform where you can launch your own course after the training, the train the program also. So thank you so much. And you know what, let me put up in the nutshell. Okay, so I personally wanted to congratulate Gayatri, Sendilji, Swati. Actually speaking, they took real efforts for organizing this today's session. You know, they were behind everybody and they made sure that I know how many hurdles they had in their during this journey and how they constantly went through it. And yes, Muthuselvam ji, in spite of, you know, in fact, I asked him, do you want to take up in the next batch? He said, no, let me finish it. Let me finish it in this batch. That determination, you know, definitely he made it through. And in spite of all the hurdles, he definitely made it. And today he completed the course. So welcome and congratulations to Muthu Kumaran ji. And Balaji, yes, he's attending the whole program whole day. And you know what, there's not even a gap. He immediately comes and attends the class. Not one class he has missed. Balaji, congratulations for your 100% dedication. I want you to go and go places really. You know, the first class, I remember all of you, how you were speaking. And today I really feel so proud of all of you. You know, today I can see the journey from the first class, how you were, and today you have taken up your own, you know, you have taken up the whole program and delivered. Guys, isn't that amazing? Did you all really think that in the first class you would be able to do such a thing? Any one of you?
Yes.
Did you think that by the end of this course, I will be able to take up a program and do it all by myself? I will, any topic given, I can write it and then talk it. No, you've like grown so well. Yes, you've grown so well. So I really wanted to heartily congratulate all of you for your efforts and keep putting it. This is the start of your journey. I want you to keep putting your efforts consistently and keep growing. And as I said, we will have a, you know, mastermind group that is created where every week we are going to have your participants to come and practice in that group. So stay tuned with us and keep going in your journey. Wishing you abundance of happiness and success. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
And
Thank
my
you so much, ma'am.
special thanks to my team. See, without my team, of course, Shiva coaches and Sharat coach, both of them, without my team, definitely it wouldn't be possible for me to take and deliver. Especially Shiva coach has put his 100% into this course, wherein he's been so patient, so determined, so perseverant to actually go and get you all in line. You know, sometimes you will say, why are these people like this? But today I think you're all having that answer wherein you're all feeling so good that you are there as part of this. All right, and I'm so happy. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks
Thank
for
you so
your
much.
time. And yeah,
Thank you so much, coach.
this is a start. Keep running and keep going ahead in your life. You
Thank you,
are
thank you.
excellent communicators.
Yes, coach.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, coach.
So much.
Thank you.